This video is a summary of my previous video on how to prioritize your garage project goals. So let's get started. Hi, I'm Geoffrey Bachelder, a garage organizing coach with the My Garage Design channel. I work with clients to plan out the goals they have with their garage space, and I help them design and organize their garage to achieve their goals. Have you ever been wanting to start on a garage organizing project but didn't know where to begin? In this video summary, I'm going to be showing you the quick steps on how to use a simple technique from the book, The On-Purpose Person, to help you prioritize and organize your garage goals. I'll be quickly walking you through each step with tools and techniques that you can use, including a free garage project brainstorm checklist. The book, The On-Purpose Person, teaches techniques that you can use to find more purpose in your life. The one we will be working with today is about goal prioritization, called the tournament technique. Similar to a basketball tournament, the tournament technique uses two goals seated right next to each other, and you have one compete against each other to see which one is more of a priority for you. You repeat the process over and over until you have found which goals of yours are the highest priority. Completing this process gives you a better understanding of the hierarchy of your goals. Step 1 is get a notebook. This can be any notebook you want, but make sure it's one that you'll be excited to use. Step number 2 is write your garage goals down. To help you get ideas for your garage goals, you can use this garage project brainstorming checklist to get started. I'm going to put it up on the screen, and you can pause the video if you want to write it down yourself. You can also download it from my website. I'll post the link below in my video description. This process may take several days before you run out of ideas. Step number 3 is to use Google Docs, Notion, or some other word processing program to create a tournament for all of your garage project goals. Similar to a basketball tournament, we will have your goals compete against each other to see what your priorities are in your garage. I go into detail in my previous video to show you how to use Notion or Google Docs to prioritize your goals using the tournament technique. Doing this, you will find which priorities you have. Check out this video in the link above or look below in the video description. After completing the tournament, you will know which goals are your priorities and which ones you can move ahead with in your garage projects. I hope you can use this system to help organize your garage project goals and create a more organized and better designed garage. Thank you for joining me. If you enjoyed watching this video, please like and subscribe below to learn more about garage project organization and how to design your dream garage. Please let me know what you enjoyed and also any suggestions you have on topics I can do in the future. See you next time.